Have you ever tried wondering how you can earn money by doing hassle-free works and waking up to the notifications of money being transferred to your account? If yes, then this is definitely for you. With a combination of these three websites, you can earn $300 in 10 minutes by simply editing photos and providing links. Imagine how much you can earn in a week. How sweet is that? You just have to follow a few simple steps and behold, you already have the passive income that you have been wishing for. Don't worry, we will be here to help you throughout the entire process. So if you want to keep that money coming, then stay tuned as we reveal the secret that only a few people know. Welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to earn money online in the most convenient way possible. This is Money Empire. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Our videos would help you earn money in the most convenient way possible, so make sure you stay tuned. Today, we will be showing you how to increase your income by simple editing, posting images, and providing links to your friends and people all over the world. You have nothing to worry about having a hard time inviting though, because through the help of another website, you can reach people all over the world and get them to use the link you have provided. Although you probably won't be as rich as Bill Gates for doing this one, but rest assured, your bills will be paid. You can get that money filling your account even in your sleep, and you might be surprised that you can possibly gain more than what you imagined. Amazing, right? The best thing about this is, it's free and flexible. You can use your cell phone, tablet, or your computer to keep that income boosting. You can do it at home or even with your friends. It's available anytime and anywhere. No technical skills needed, and it's available for everyone regardless of your age. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get straight into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to afplus.com. AFPlus is a website that offers CPA affiliate job opportunities from the various affiliate networks. The goal of this job is to scale their marketing efforts and reach a wider audience. It is quite synonymous to HubSpot and Elementor affiliate program. But these websites involves convincing people to buy a product which may be quite harder. So today, we will use AFPlus because it has CPA and CPL offers. Basically, you just have to convince people into signing up or installing an app. And the bottom line? It is for free, making it easier for you to persuade people to use the link. Now, upon visiting the website, you can see a lot of affiliate offers listed. What we want you to do is to find a link that you would want people or your friends to use. You're going to promote using the said link. You just have to find CPA and CPL offers. You can try searching for giveaways or gift cards since it may be easier to convince people with this one. It's a give and take situation. They have the possibility to win a giveaway while you earn the money. You can, however, pick at something to promote that's fit for your liking. You just have to click on this specific CPA offer right here, like this PayPal giveaway, and once you do so, you will be directed here, and as you can see, upon promoting and getting people to sign up using this link, you will earn about $2.5 per sign-up. If you could get 100 people to sign up, then imagine how much you can actually earn. Once you already have chosen an offer that you like, just click the Join Network to be able to copy your affiliate link. If you do so, you will be directed to the affiliate network that provided the offer, where you will sign up for free. And after that, the link will be given for you to promote. After you have copied the link, we will go to our second website. The website that would further help us to easily convince people to use the link is Canva. Go to canva.com and you can see how many templates you can readily use and customize. There are various choices listed at the homepage. You can see the recommended, presentations, social media, video, print products, marketing, office, and you can even customize your size. At the top, you can explore the different templates, or even search for designs and templates according to your liking and job. You will be able to create posts and letters from Classroom to YouTube thumbnails, all for free. To use this, you need to sign up, which is of course for free. You will then be asked to enter all of your details. Now, you're probably wondering why we are even using Canva when all we need is to provide a link. This is to reach a wider audience, where the photo that we will be editing will then be uploaded to an image sharing platform together with a link for everyone to see, from thousands to millions of people. Now, all you have to do is search for social media in the search bar and you will be given a template that you can use. You can choose according to how your poster would look like and what you think is most preferable to convince people to use your link. When you already have chosen something you like, just click on it and it will direct you to the editing page. All you have to do is customize your template and promote the giveaway. Like this one here, you can directly write free $1,000 gift card giveaway, or even use a more fancy way of saying it, or any strategies to attract people. Be sure that your poster is something that can easily intrigue people into visiting your link. Who knows? Your $300 per 10 minutes may turn to $500 per 5 minutes. That would surely be lovely. After that, you should click on the download button on the upper right corner to save your image. Liking this video so far? Leave a comment down below. We would love to hear how helpful this has been for you. Your suggestions and recommendations would also be greatly appreciated. Now, here comes the exciting part. After you have edited your photo in Canva, we want you to go to Pinterest. Upon doing so, you will be directed to this interface. You have to click Sign Up. You may choose to go through providing your details and creating an account, or you may opt to connect it to Facebook and Google, which is faster and easier. After that, you will be directed right here. Now, you want to upload your photo right here so that millions of people may be able to see it. Going back, what you want to do is click the plus icon right here to be able to upload your photo. Once you do so, you will be directed to this page right here. You can choose to click the arrow and select the photo, or open the location of your photo and drag it towards here to upload it. After that, you may want to title it $1,000 PayPal gift card giveaway, or maybe according to what type of offer you have chosen to promote. A Walmart gift card perhaps, or a McDonald's one. It's all up to you. In the description, you may want to type the details of the giveaway. You may want to type something between the words of signing up for free and limiting it to maybe 100 people. Something like, sign up with the link provided for free for first 100 people only. Below that, provide the affiliate link from AF Plus in the destination link. And lastly, all you have to do is click the publish button and voila! Your photo is now published. Out of 1 billion users of Pinterest, imagine how many people would be able to see your link and grab a chance of winning a giveaway. Once about thousands of people already have seen your photo, the sound of it being free will most likely convince them to join such a rare giveaway, and once a lot has already clicked on your link, imagine how much you can earn in your sleep just by editing a promotion poster and posting it online. Sweet money, here we come. And there you have it. That's it for today's video. We hope this has been a helpful tip for everyone out there looking for a convenient and hassle-free way to earn money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you will be updated every time we upload. This will definitely not be the last time we help you earn money in the easiest way possible. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so that you can stay tuned on our next video. Share this with your friends who also want to earn money in the comforts of their homes. If this has been helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below to inform us how helpful this video is to you and how we can further improve in bringing information to you. See you in the next one!